Today we make the ultimate Piña Colada. You won't believe how easy this is. Today we're starting with the base. First, we need to chop up some fresh coconut to get it perfectly smooth. Now we have our perfect coconut milk. We pour it right back into the blender. Time for the pineapple. We need 2 cups of chunks. Add some water and milk too. And that's our fresh pineapple juice. Now we can mix everything together. Now we add some ice to make it frosty. Let's blend it until it's perfectly smooth. Wow! Now we pour this frosty goodness. A splash of soda makes it perfect. Subscribe for more fun recipes. Bye-bye! See you next time!